Hi guys, Dave here for Dave Outdoors. Thanks for tuning in. Bit of a damp day here in the Hanuas, but the reason why I'm out here today is for this plant right here. This is called the Kiekie. I've used this before for fire lighting. It makes really good tinder. The other thing that Kiekie can produce is a couple of things actually, is two different kinds of fruit. And we're in the season now. It's March here in New Zealand, so we're entering into autumn. And late autumn to early winter, there's a fruit that is ripe on this tree that we can eat. Now the Kiekie is what's called a scrambling climber. It just travels along the ground and finds itself a nice tree it can clings to it and travels on up, and you get these tufts of flax. Now these go for about, each leaf is about 1/2 meter to 1 meter long, and well, that's your Kiekie. Now this time of the year it's producing this particular fruit. Sorry, this is I'm right on a real bad slope here and it's a very awkward position. Plus I'm trying out this new hat and it keeps wanting to block my vision, but we'll have a go. Hopefully I won't die in the process. Here's the fruit here. Hopefully you can see that. There's a whole bunch of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just in that batch there. They kind of look like, let's get one off. That's our fruit there. This is quite a large one. Most of the ones I've seen are a bit smaller than this. They kind of cross between a corn on a cob, a pineapple and a hand grenade is how I look at them. When it's unripe, as it is now, it's green. And as you see, this one's just starting to turn sort of yellow. And sometimes they can turn pink as well. So late autumn or late fall, early winter, when that skin is has turned pretty much yellowish or pinkish, and the skin is much softer. It's very hard at the moment, but when it's much softer, then it's ripe for eating. And you just peel that skin off and eat the pulp inside. So it'll be a first time for me. I've been reading up on this, studying it, and checking all of them in my local area. And I'm going to be traveling around here today. Some of them you can pull the flax over the plant, over the fruit itself, and then you tie the flax off with another piece of flax. And basically you're protecting the fruit. We have a bit of a rodent problem here in New Zealand. Rats, mice, possums, that sort of thing. And they like to eat these things when they're in season. Some of the birds go for them as well. So by covering it over with flax and then tying the flax off, you help protect the fruit. I think the mice and rats can probably still get in, but it's a bit of a deterrent, but at least it'll stop the birds getting in. But that's our Kiekie fruit, unripe as it is. And I'm going to go around today, tie up the rest of them that I can see. These ones are a bit too awkward, a bit too dangerous for me to tie them up, even though they're right here. There's a big ditch here, I just can't get across it. And I'm going to get the other ones, maybe come back to these. So this is part 1 of a video, and we'll do part 2 later on in the year. Thanks for tuning in.